Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hand towels that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Smyrna Original Turkish Hand Towels. Sometimes, it can be disappointing to find out that the coolest looking product falls short in performance, but we were happy to discover that this was not the case with the Smyrna Original Turkish set. Not only will these towels spruce up your bathroom's aesthetics, but they also rank highest in our side-by-side tests. The Smyrna hand towel is absorbent, quick drying, and soft. We love the unique weave of these towels, which provides a texture that dries hands quickly and soaks up water. They add a little flair to bathrooms and even kitchens while being soft, smooth, and durable. We found them soft out of the box, without any strange smells or break-in period, which is an added plus. It's hard to find any complaints about these beauties. From their design to their texture to their drying speed, the Smyrna Originals impressed. The only aspect of these towels that may be a concern is the durability of the tassels and the fact that they only come in a set of 2. Some of the other options we compared are available in packs of up to 24. If you need a higher quantity, we'd look to one of the multi-pack options. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cleanbear Hand Towel. The Cleanbear 6-pack towels are utilitarian products masked by a pastel color palette. They are soft but thin. We found their feel sufficient for drying our hands, but perhaps not the first thing we'd reach for to soothe our skin after a facial. They are quick drying and relatively absorbent. The thin material made these towels absorb water quickly, soaking whatever surface they were set on. In most situations, though, this basic product is entirely sufficient. They feel great and hold up after multiple washes. We were pleased to find that there was little to no pilling after their initial trip through the washing machine. The Cleanbear's biggest downfall is lack of thickness and loft. Plus, the dimensions seem a bit meager compared to some of the 30 by 40-inch behemoths we tested. The Cleanbear towels are a bit diminutive at a mere 13 by 23 inches. Given its affordable price tag and durability, though, this set undoubtedly earns its place as a great budget option. At number 3, we have the luxury white hand towels. If softness is what you're after, the white classic luxury 6-pack set is for you. This set is soft and plush without feeling too thick and retaining water. If you have sensitive skin or prioritize texture, the white classic is a good choice. Additionally, we found that they seem to get softer with each wash, resulting in a supple, homey texture. They are a great size, not too big to seem bulky hanging on a hook, but small enough to be compact and easy to store. We used these as both hand and face towels and found them great for both uses. Though the white classics are up there with some of the most absorbent products in this review, they fell a bit short in our drying time competition. The white classic took much longer to dry than many other top-performing towels in this review, which surprised us considering their relatively thin feel. Even a full day after washing, we found that they still had a bit of lingering dampness to them. At number 2, we have the white classic Wealuxe Charcoal Hand Towels. The Wealuxe Cotton set excels as a basic, soft hand towel with no frills. Even after many trips through the wash, the product remains super soft and supple. Due to its light weave and thin nature, it dries quickly and fared well in our absorbency tests. This set is fairly thin and flimsy, so some folks may be disappointed by the size and overall feel. Many Turkish cotton options in this review fared better than this lightweight one since they tended to have a bit more loft and a better feel. The other major issue with the Wealuxe is that it sheds a ton in the wash. This is a significant durability issue, but it doesn't take away from the fact that these are super soft and perform well across all other metrics. And finally at number 1, we have the superior Egyptian Cotton Pile Hand Towel Set. Perhaps you're used to stepping out of the shower and into a massive, plush bath towel that envelops you in warmth and coziness, and you can't imagine your hands going through the same transition without a similarly cozy experience. If so, check out the superior Egyptian cotton set. They are pure luxury for your hands. Soft, dense material encases your hands, or face, for an indulgent drying experience. Their thick, soft feel also means that this set is incredibly durable. During our test period, we saw no signs of wear. We imagine that the superior set will last for years. The downside to all this loft, fluff, and softness is that they seem to take forever to dry. Compared to some of the other towels we tested that dried completely in around 30 minutes, we were fairly surprised to find that roughly 24 hours after pulling them out of the wash, the superior towels still felt damp. We also found that these towels had a hard time absorbing water, perhaps because their weave was so dense. If you have the patience to let the towels dry and use them for smaller drying tasks rather than wiping up counter-wide water spills, these cons may not be a big deal. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.